Hey there! Planning a move? Let's talk about how to set up a moving budget that keeps your wallet happy and your stress low. Start by figuring out what kind of move you're doing. Are you hiring movers, renting a truck, or doing it all yourself? Knowing this helps you estimate costs accurately. Next, jot down every possible expense. This includes moving company fees, truck rentals, packing supplies, insurance, and even meals and lodging if you're traveling far. Don't forget about tips for movers or unexpected costs like cleaning fees. Get quotes from at least 3 moving companies or truck rental services. Compare their services, prices, and reviews to find the best fit for your needs and budget. Set aside a contingency fund, about 10–15% of your total budget. This cushion helps cover any surprise expenses that pop up during the move. To wrap up, track all your expenses in a spreadsheet or budgeting app. And remember, the more organized you are, the more you can save. For more tips and quotes to make your move easier and more affordable, visit movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.